Good morning, students. Hope you all are safe at home and doing your work regularly. So, students, today I will explain chapter 1 of literature, Life's Lighter Moments. And this chapter has two parts. One is All's Well That Ends Well, and the other is Flying Cakes Are Dangerous. So, today I will explain the first part, All's Well That Ends Well. Hope you all will listen carefully and enjoy it. The story begins with two children, Dilip and Mala. They both got 10 rupees each as pocket money on every Saturday from their mother. And Mala has a good habit. Whenever she get the money, she put her money into the piggy bank. Piggy means the saving pot. And loves rattling it. Rattling means made noise of it. And Dilip spends the money the moment he gets it. One week, their mother gave them two shiny 5 rupee coins. As usual, Mala put her money into her piggy bank and Dilip refused to do it. Even he wanted to buy a big bar of chocolate. So when he was going to market to purchase a chocolate, his coin fell out of his hands, rolled along the pavement. Pavement means footpath, and disappeared down a small hole. Disappeared means vanished. जब वो बाज़ार में चॉकलेट ख़रीदने के लिए जा रहा था तो उसके हाथ से उसका सिक्का फिसला, फुटपाथ के साथ होता होता एक स्मॉल होल में जाकर गायब हो गया. बट ही वॉन्टेड हिज मनी बैक, सो ही पुट हिज आर्म इनटू द होल टू गेट हिज मनी बैक. But his arm was stuck in the hole. Even a large number of people gathered round him. But his arm was firmly stuck in it. So, two firemen came there and helped Dilip to pull his arm out with a special kind of grease. So, Dilip was not upset by this experience. Even he was happy at the end because he got a large box of chocolates from the woman, from the owner of the shop. So, students, we can learn from this story that saving money is a good habit because it will help you in your future. So, we should save money like Mala, but we shouldn't do anything like Dilip because it will create a big problem for you. But according to this story, Dilip was not upset with this incident. Even he was happy because he got a big box of chocolate at the end. So I can say that all's well that ends well. Ant bhala to sab bhala. So students, I hope you all have understood the story of this chapter and will do the question answers now. The first question is, how much pocket money did Dilip and Mala get? So students, as we have read in the chapter, Mala and Dilip got 10 rupees each as pocket money on every Saturday. And the second is, what did Mala do with her pocket money? Mala puts her pocket money into her piggy bank. The third is, where did Dilip's money fall? What did he do? Dilip's money fell into a hole and he put his arm to get his money back. The fourth is, how did the lady try to help Dilip? The lady rubbed his arm with butter and soap. The next is, who helped Dilip to pull his arm out of the hole? And how did they do so? Two firemen helped Dilip to pull his arm out of the hole by using a special kind of grease. So at last we can say that all's well that ends well means अंत भला तो सब भला. दिलीप ने इस एक्सपीरियंस से ये सीखा कि अंत में जो भी होता है वो सब अच्छा ही होता है. उसके पैसे भी गायब हो गए, उसको चॉकलेट भी मिल गया. So students, I hope you have understood this story and I hope you will enjoy it. So if you have any doubt, then you can call me at my personal window. And students, the next part we'll discuss tomorrow. Thank you.